When I'm doing master planning in the planning worksheet, my expected outcome will be firm planned production orders and purchase orders that I need to fulfill my production order demands. So my complete list of firm planned production orders from 2 weeks till 3 months, for instance, will be everything that I expect to release at the dates that is here. And on those production order, I have material requirements and capacity requirements. So this master plan is creating, if I'm going into the order and looking into the line on the components, I can see what will be the expected component for an order like this, and I can view my routing, meaning what would be the expected capacity need for an order like this, and I can go further from my routing into my capacity need by navigating the line and looking at my allocated capacity, and those entry are the one used in the work center load, and these are the entry I can use for my capacity planning. So all the point of doing master planning is to break down material requirements and capacity requirements and being able to make a plan out of that.